Hi everybody, I'm Jacob from Status Update, and this is my app drawer app of the week. It's Wunderlist, and if you're anything like me, jotting notes down on an index card or something like that just to keep track of what you have to do, Wunderlist is a fantastic application that will essentially make it an easier way to do that for you. It's a simple list application, and you look here on my home screen, these are my different categories of lists. So I have red tie, I have school, I have work, personal, grocery, and I can go into one of these lists, and there's my little things that I have to do in each of those lists, and I can scroll through. Very simple. If I've done one of these things, all I have to do is click the little checkbox next to it, and there we go. It's done, it's crossed out. The next time I sync the application, that particular item will be gone, so it doesn't stick around. But for right now, it gives me the satisfaction of at least being, crossed out. Now, there's a couple things you can do in here. It's very simple to add a new task. You just go up here to the top, you click it, and you start typing whatever task you want to do, and you hit done and enter, and it's added to the bottom of the list. So there's my new task. Now let's say you want to add a particular date this task needs to be done. If you hold down on the task, you long click it and click Edit Task. You can go in here and you can add a note to it, so if there's specific instructions you have to do for a task. You can add a due date to the task, so let's say I want to finish this by January 11th. My due date's now the 11th. You can set a reminder, and you can set what date you would like yourself to be reminded. So if you want to be reminded, let's say a day before, I think I said the 11th, so a day before, and you can pick what time. And you can pick on your phone if you want it to be a notification in your notifications pane, or if you want via email, or both. So I'm going to say both, update my reminder. And you can go in here and you can also change what list it's in or anything like that. And I click Save, and now as you can see under the task down there, it's got the due date. You can also star a task if it's really important, and what starring does is brings it to the top of the list. So by default, the application will work by simply adding everything onto the list chronologically in the order that you added it, but you can star things to bring them to the top. So then it will notify me in my notification pane when this particular to-do is supposed to be done. But you can also go down here on the bottom of the app, and you can pick what's due today. Well, there's nothing that's due today. What's overdue? Nothing overdue. What's starred? Or you can go in here and you can say, well, what's due tomorrow? Well, I don't have anything in particular due tomorrow, but I can go back and I can say, well, I know I have something new in the next 7 days. Here's what's due in the next 7 days. Now, the nice thing about Wunderlist that really helps me, and you can go into settings too real quick and just change a couple things. You can change the background pane to anything you'd like. Right now, it's just defaulted at wood. You can change the language, the date format, things of that nature. But what I really love about Wunderlist is, and by the way, you're going to be required to create an account for Wunderlist to set it up. But what I love about it is it syncs with the Google Chrome app. So I use Google Chrome at work, I use it here at home, and what it does now is I can have the Wunderlist app on my Chrome account, and I can go in there and I can add particular things that I have to do, and every time I open up Wunderlist, and I'll show you, I'll open up Wunderlist again, it's going to load, and then you're going to see at the bottom here, it's going to say syncing. So it's going to sync with the Google Chrome app or with the web version of Wunderlist, and it's going to give me my latest to-dos, and then the next time I open up the Chrome app, it's going to show me the latest things that I may have added here, and it's also going to remind me on my Chrome app or in my email when I have some particular task that I need to get done. So that's my app drawer app of the week. It's called Wunderlist, Wunderlist. You can download it in the App Store on iOS or in the Marketplace on Android, and you can get it in the Chrome Web Store as well.